Check out Raphiolepis indica, also known as Indian hawthorn. It's given us all it's got here at the third week of April, and it's in full bloom. The bees are working it. This is a really great foundation hedge plant. It can get quite tall, 4 to 6 feet, but you can keep it sheared down or just use your loppers and it'll look a lot better. You can shape it however you want. It's originally from southern China, and it can really take the heat, and it can take the dryness. It's not completely drought tolerant, I don't think, but it can take some pretty harsh conditions. Give it a little bit of water throughout the hot days of the summer, and it'll perform really well for you. The flowers are going to fall off here pretty soon, and then it's just going to give you this nice pretty foliage. It's very lovely. Has a little serration on the edge. It's a good plant. Some people think it's old-fashioned. Some people are tired of it, but it's so reliable. There you go, Raphiolepis indica, or aka Indian hawthorn.